So you fucked up. Right now, she is in the middle of an existential crisis. The great fucking dumpster fire of 2020. She doesn't know what fucking day it is. She's going through latte withdrawal, and she wants to murder you in your sleep. And that is on a good day. You blamed everything on Karen, but there is no fucking Karen. There's no Karen. She is a mythical scapegoat you made up. It is your fucking fault, and you fucked up big. Your apology is going to start with sheet metal and a marker. You need to draw 5 petals. This will give you plenty of time to decide if you'd rather sleep outside or on the couch with a dog that allegedly fucked an ostrich. Now you're gonna cut yourself during this project because sheet metal is a bloody fucking mess. And you should take all of that blood and write a heartfelt apology letter because, well, you were an asshole. Now, you need to cut all this shit out. Try not to cut your fucking finger off, because she isn't gonna stop watching Netflix to take you to the ER. As you cut, remember, it was never appropriate to tell her she was as pretty as an airport. As pretty as an airport? What the fuck were you thinking? You need to texture every single flower petal. Remember when you told her to calm down? That she was being too emotional and overreacting? Right now, she is envisioning doing this to your face. This little pile of atonement is ready to be assembled into a flower of redemption. Assembling this might be a little difficult for a half-witted millennial oaf that compares his girlfriend's beauty to an airport. Oh, you didn't do that? Well, what did you do, Romeo? Did you attribute her legitimate feelings of sadness and anger to being hangry? Be sure to assemble this correctly with the largest petals on the bottom. Setting this rivet is the hardest part of this apology. Use light hammer blows, and don't mess up or you'll end up sleeping outside with that dog that allegedly fucked an ostrich. Now, we gotta take this stack of metal and make it so beautiful she forgets you ever were a bleach-injecting, malaria pill-popping idiot who said she's as pretty as a fucking airport. Now, if you fuck this up, you can go ahead and give her a shrubbery. One that looks nice, and isn't too expensive. Hopefully your flower looks something like this, and now you can trade it for a few more nights alive. Now, I added this cute little loop on here, but you can go ahead and add a locator beacon, because that way when she throws it in the dumpster, you can pull it out and save it for your next relationship. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Whether you ruin someone's life or just want to do something sweet and nice and, make your life better and their life better, I have this over at ladiesofiron.com. Thanks for watching.